In this video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling USB ports on your Windows 11 device. Before diving into the details, let's first understand why it's important to disable USB ports. Disabling USB ports on a Windows computer is a critical security measure, particularly for PCs with sensitive data. It also helps defend against malware infections and various USB-based attacks, enhancing the overall security of your Windows computer. Let's learn how to do it. Press the Windows key and X key to open the context menu, and then select Device Manager from the list. Scroll down and click on the arrow next to Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Then, right-click on the USB port you wish to disable and select Disable Device. Finally, repeat these steps for each USB port you want to disable. Now that you've learned how to disable it, why not take your tech skills to the next level? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and dive into one of these specially selected videos just for you.